You'll fire from one hand, Jones?
Yeah.
Keep going on after this.
That's a hit. I didn't have any odds on it.
Radio.
Right, LTP.
Loading tip it.
Move right.
Get up.
Hold on, Jones. All right, do your time. Ready to fire. Ready to fire.
Fire.
One time we went through the fucking wrong way to go. Instead of walking the ridge line for fucking how many K, we fucking missed. You have a target 550 meters. You just spin the dial to 550, and that will cause the round to burst over the target. You set the range run for 50 more meters than what your target is. If it's 550, you set the 600 meters, which causes the round to impact over the target.
All right.
Is that good enough?
Thank you.
Right fire. Clear.
Is that short or was that hit?
That was a hit.
Okay. Come at 250 and aim low. 3.
Come back, walk up. Ready, fire. Clear.
Clear. Clear. Ready to fire? Clear.
Wait, land. Okay.
Pressure pad on there, Dito?
Broadsword.
That illuminator, the cap, is the cap come off, or it needs to not go illuminator.
Clear.
Beautiful.
You get it.
This fucking switch number 1. It's off, and I'm going 1. Turn the laser on. Let's try illuminator low. You see that pile of shit?
Negative side.
You see that? See that there?
Thing I just shot?
Yeah.
Broadsword.
Alright, shoot that again there. It's just gonna light up in front of them.
Ready, fire.
Clear. it go? Behind it?
No, it hit, Sergeant.
Hit it, son.
Oh, he did?
Shoot him again. There pressure pad in there, Dito? Clear!